People ask, can I find this program someplace else? Or, you know what, maybe just ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence. What's your answer when they say that, Mike?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. I tried that and I had a whole pile full of what I thought were procedures, what I thought were manuals, and what I thought were proven processes, and they weren't working. And we thought they were, and you can believe whatever you want to believe. Nobody's ever conflicted with their own data, but no, you can't find this anywhere else. This is, I think people need to understand when you started building this, you've come from a shop of, a time when people didn't have any process and procedure and really laid the groundwork. There's so much experience and just insight that you're not going to get anywhere else. It's impossible to get that insight and those calls and really say, okay, you're not going through anything different. Here's what it is. And just the science behind them. I mean, there's so many little things to how we approach the house, to how we hand our business card out, and those little things and it's amazing to see the techs in our sales training today doing those things and loving it and relaying back how that really works. You can't find that on ChatGPT. You're not going to be able to find it and write it yourself. And why? What's your time worth?